Why does your scanner show the P00BC engine code? What does it mean? P00BC is a diagnostic trouble code for mass or volume airflow, A, circuit range, or performance airflow too low. It indicates the PCM has detected a problem with the mass airflow sensor or its circuit, suggesting airflow is lower than expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. MAF sensor issues, wiring problems, vacuum leaks, air intake issues, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mazda, Jaguar, Mini, BMW, and Land Rover. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.